Hello dear children, hope you all are fine. Here we are going to continue our first lesson from political science, that is understanding diversity. From the beginning of this chapter, we have studied about lots of types of diversities or differences are found commonly among everywhere in this world. In our country India also, we feel many types of differences just like religion, language, culture, social background, family background, economical background and everywhere. So, from this lesson, we have to continue some more points. Let us start. We have studied about two children from this lesson, that is two boys with names alike, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Both of them have names alike, but their religion, cultural background, economical background, educational background, etc. are entirely different. But they become friends. So, such numbers of examples are there across our country. Not only names, even though we have many types of similarities, lots of differences also found in our common life. Thus, we understood one important factor that differences or diversity haven't any problem in our daily life because we are able to manage all these differences, because we have lots of friends or neighbors or relatives in different section or in different language or in different religion also. We know that people are living in different places. Some of them are in urban area or in towns or in cities with all different facilities available in our daily life. Some others are living in villages where they have lack of some other different types of facilities. But still some others are living even in forest area without having no any contact with the outer world. But we know that all we are human beings and also have the capacity to manage every of our situations well. So, differences may be there everywhere, but we people have a capacity to adjust, to understand, to respect and to honor others. That is what our India give a chance for every people here, because our country is special with all possible diversities found in this world. Religious, language, cultural, socio, climatic, economic, educational or every. Even caste practices also are going on here because different caste also is existing. So differences are there, but we are living together. And we know that the different type of lifestyle of people in Ladakh and in Kerala, two places in India, entirely different geographical, climatic, social, religious, cultural background. But we all feel that we all are belongs to one country. So, in order to define what kind of a life, what kind of a culture, what kind of an inheritance that India has, our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, once used a correct term to identify the structure of India, and that term is unity in diversity. That means differences are there everywhere, but we people are feeling a kind of unity. We are loving each other, we are caring each other, we are respecting each other. That's why such a term is used by Jawaharlal Nehru in order to define our India clearly, that is unity in diversity. And Jawaharlal Nehru used that word in his own book, that is Discovery of India. And we all know our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, and continues. While we are listening to its word, that also is a clear example for unity of our nation, where different names of places, then rivers, language, etc. used there, that also shows the unity of our country. A national anthem uniting the whole country.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
And our tricolor flag is another important symbol of our unity. Tricolor is there for a nation's flag, and we are celebrating number of festivals according to season, according to important religious occasions, etc. Anyhow, all these makes a correct idea about what our country is. There is no any other country in this world just like India where all these type of diversities are accommodating. So, be proud to be an Indian. Anyhow, a nice lesson here for everyone as you are the beginners to identify about the cultural, religious, language backgrounds of India. The first lesson is very apt for you people. So, study well, keep watching. Jai Hind. Thank you.